Hey guys, it's me, Beardy, Kay, and Larry's here too. Today we're talking about the hot things men do that women like. We've been hearing a lot of good things about Gabrielle Moses' video about this, so we thought it'd be a good idea to make our own version. So now we're gonna tell you the 7 hot things men do that women like, plus the number 1 thing women dislike, so you can avoid it at all costs. Let's get right to it.
Number 7, house buddy. There's just something irresistible with men who know their way around the house. I mean, when you go to their place, their sheets may not be immaculate, but it's not a total mess because they know how to do the dishes, do the laundry, and tidy up their place. You see, one of the hot things men do is actually simple, just plain household chores. Now, we're not saying you have to be the expert cleaner, organizer, and all that. What we're saying is if you want to know how to get a girl to like you, don't be ashamed to do some work in the house. And yes, this doesn't make you less of a man. Number 6, bookworm.
Do you know that one of the hot things men do that women like so much is read? Well, it ain't that easy. Just being interested in reading. And you know, if you want to learn how to impress a girl, you need not be one of those guys who buries their heads in thick books and memorizes all the entries in the dictionary. Well, we're not saying that being like that is bad. It's just that if you're just beginning to find your love of reading, you shouldn't force it. To develop one of the habits women love, start by the pages or the stories that appear in your social media feed. Then you progress to ebooks, the short ones, or read the recipes at the back of the food carton. You can even read children's books. As you read, you will find out what works for you. The best thing about this is that you look hot by enriching your very own self. No wonder it's one of the habits women love. You see, when you read, you actually learn, and learning can be good, right? Just like learning about the rest of the habits women love. Do it today by watching this video right here.
Number 5, fix picks. Okay, we'll let you in on a secret. Girls love it when men step in to open that impossibly difficult pickle jar, or when men step in to change a flat tire. You know, this doesn't actually mean that women can't do these things by themselves. It's just that sometimes they also need to feel that there's someone they can call just in case, you know, things get a little bit too difficult for them. In this case, literally. Now, if you want to learn how to get your crush to like you, know how to swoop in at the right moment to get those extra points.
Now, of course, remember, don't make the girl feel like she isn't capable. Instead, provide her the assurance that you're there to help should she ever need it. This is because not all damsels are in distress where physical strength is concerned. Number 4, Groom Boom. Did you know that one of the tricks to get girls to chase you is simply care about grooming? Women love men who know how to take care of themselves, just enough not to look like someone who's lived in a cave for several years or who doesn't know what a razor or deodorant is. I mean, yes, women dig the masculine vibe of being rugged, but let me tell you, rugged doesn't mean unclean. You can still be rugged but hygienic. So if you want to know how to make your crush like you, then you need to practice proper hygiene. Believe me, that's all it takes to be hot.
If you want to be totally, really hot, find out about the rest of the tricks to get girls to chase you by watching this video right here. While we know that you can't wait to check out that very interesting video, hold on for a little bit longer because we've still got plenty of stuff you'll enjoy, including, of course, the number 1 thing that women dislike. If you like what you're seeing so far, then for sure you'll like the rest of what we've got prepared. Let's get back to it. Number 3, appetite for polite. Another one of the hot things men do that women like is being polite. You know, things like saying please, thank you, and I'm sorry. See, manners matter. No matter if you've checked all the boxes in the list of sweet things to do for your girl. If you're nothing but rude and impolite, then chances are you're not gonna get her. And honestly, this speaks more about you than about her. So if you want to learn how to get a girl to like you, start by evaluating yourself. How do you treat the waiter? Are you rude? Do you need improvement? Now, if you find you can still improve on something, then do it by all means. Once you're ready, show her that you are. Do some of the sweet things to do for your girl that are found in this video, and then watch her fall for you.
Number 2, passion fusion. Let's be honest here. When you hear the word passion, doesn't the word hot almost always come to mind as well? I'm guessing you're saying yes. And so when learning how to make your crush like you, you need to be passionate. And we don't mean to be passionate only about her. You can show her that you're capable of being passionate about other things too, like singing, dancing, crafting, mountain climbing, or even work. A man who is passionate is a man who knows how to give time for things that are important to him. And let me tell you the truth, that's hot. Number 1, no phone.
Wait, what? No phone? How can that be hot?
Well, we're talking about when you're together. Putting a phone down is actually one of the hottest things men can do because it shows that he respects you. He respects you enough to give you his full attention.
Oh, yes. So guys, when you're trying to learn how to be more attractive, the next time you're on a date with her, put your phone away and talk to her instead. Just talk about anything and let her know that you're genuinely interested in her. This will make her want you because this is just hot. Oh wow, look how far we've come. We're now at the most awaited part of this video, the part where we tell you the #1 thing that women dislike. Well, if it isn't obvious, this is none other than being war freak. And this goes not only when wanting women to want you, but for everyone in general.
Nobody would ever want to be involved with someone who picks a fight every chance he gets. May it be a physical fight or a verbal argument. That's just toxic, and frankly, no one needs more negative things in this world because we've already got plenty of that to worry about. Don't you think?
If you really want to learn how to attract women, learn self-control and learn to pick your battles. A driver who cuts you off in traffic may have something really important to get to. Or maybe that guy who seems to be staring daggers at you isn't really looking at you, but at the guy behind you, you know? Consider those things before you get hot-headed and start a fight. That way, women won't be afraid to get close to you. Instead, they'll find you hot. And isn't that what you want?
Are there some things we missed? Do you know any more hot things that men do that women like? Let us know in the comments below. Gentlemen, do you want to know how to make girls chase you? Check out this video we made. It's all about that. In that video, we let you in on 10 tricks to get her to instantly chase you. The great thing about this video is that it not only tells you exactly what to do, but it also tells you what you shouldn't do. That's you being extra covered.